Alright, so you guys are always asking for more vlogs or these types of videos. This is kind of that. Today we're going to Arizona, so I'm gonna go board my flight in 2 hours. It's like half an hour to get to the airport, and it's super early. It's 6:30. I don't even wake up this early for work, and my neighbors were up until 1 a.m. last night blasting mariachi band music, so your boy's a little bit tired. Hopefully catching up on those Z's on the flight. We'll check in then. So we're at the airport. Things are looking up. It's a little bit brighter. I'm not as tired. Still hoping to catch those Z's on the flight though. And gotta mask up now and figure out where my terminal is. Alright. Now we're ready to rock and roll. I'll catch you guys in Arizona. Yeah, I get the place Bone recommended.
Some Burrows? Yeah, Some Burrows is over this way actually. That other place by his Grammys is quite a ways away from us.
Dude, the houses down here look crazy.
Yeah,
there's a golf course too. Yeah.
Did you guys see like the really big ones on the way in at all?
Some of them, yeah. Kristen's appreciating some of those.
So which one do you like more now that Javon is gone?
Obviously the dragon fruit.
It's gotta be the dragon fruit. It's gonna look good.
Yeah, it is. How big do you think it's gonna get? You have any tournament fish bass here?
Yeah.
Big bass.
Is that the tournament size bass that you're talking about?
Yeah. No, that was a small one, but the sucker, on the other hand, is pretty big. I kind of want to walk in the water when we get back to the beach. I'll get my shoes on.
Get all sandy.
Get a little sandy.
All my videos are just gonna be you taking pictures.
So can they like not call him back then? Like we don't have to do it?
Think he's done?
I think so.
We stayed right, so let's go with that.
What?
To the left and the way back. This doesn't seem right, but I don't think it's up to the field.
It's not right, we went left.
Yeah, this is the right way. This is our break tree. This has been quite a hike.
Nice, but it's like not as hard as it.
Yeah. Coming out of the beach is pretty crowded. How are you holding up, Tristan?
I'm good.
Can you wind on this?
I'm back still on the right.
Oh, geez.
Oh.
Oh.
Like a 14 ride. I don't need to. Oh, car went out.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, how? It's a straight stretch.
Jeremy really brought that one
Yes, sir. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Oh man.
What'd
What'd you get?
Hold on, I'm not done looking.
This should be on the front. I'll watch some unboxing.
I didn't get any good ones.
There should be a holographic one though, right?
Yeah,
Let's see.
I got a holographic one. I don't know who it is.
Oh.
Tristan?
Yeah. I think it's like
Maybe
$4.
like $5.
I think it's like $4 still, yeah.
My turn?
Only $4.
Dude, that pays for your kids' meal.
But where do I sell it?
eBay?
If you want to do the like pro unopening, they open it and then it's going to be the front card, so you take the front card and put it to the back, but you open it backwards.
What? Oh, I didn't know this was like a thing.
Oh yeah, there's like unboxing techniques for them for sure.
Alright, here we go. Dude, I'm pretty hyped on the Pokemon card. Should we come back?
Can you get Pikachu?
All
The like main starters are like
oh, I got a Pikachu.
No, it's gotta be the
basic
hollow one.
Trespin, Rowlet, and then let's see.
Oh.
Chikorita, that's not bad. That's a main.
No.
Yeah, that's a starter, isn't it?
It's not a starter.
Yeah, it is.
Starter is Bulbasaur. Only real ones will know.
Now you're even. Or you're still +6. Tristan's up. Or he's tied right now. Tristan's tied.
Alright.
Yeah. You're still +6, so you gotta make up some ground.
How much are you guys? +1.
We're even. We're even. You're +6 from us. You need to make up 6 strokes somehow. Stroke man, stroke man.
It's not going in. It's no hole.
Get stopped by the rocks. Nice.
And we're back. Home sweet home. I gotta get straight to work. Got some Supreme stuff. I can open this up quick. Alright, so this is week one for the season. Let's see how this goes. Prodigy box logo, I think is what it was. This one's cool. Supreme Bubbles. That's it. None of the other week 1 stickers. We just got the one box logo. Kind of whack. What are you gonna do? And I gotta get to work. So hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a nice vacation. Yeah, it's good to be home.